Then is the hanging around phase, the hanging around phase is a beautiful one. The organization is dating you, and you're dating the organization. You're looking at the guys. You're looking how the guys are moving. You're looking how the guys they interact with others. You are paying attention. You and at that phase, man. If you leave because you don't like the group of guys that are just running that chapter or whatever the case, so do you like you can leave. There is no damage. There is no, that was the process.